Are you looking for training in an in-demand field? The Lone Star College-Process Technology Center, conveniently located in Generation Park, offers programs to prepare you for jobs in the nation's largest petrochemical and refining complex. With hands-on training using state-of-the-art equipment, you will be on your way to a successful and high-paying career.
Welcome to the Lone Star College Process Technology Center. The Process Technology Center is a standalone campus in the Lone Star College system that provides the community with local access to workforce training in our process technology and instrumentation technology programs. Features of the campus include a full outdoor process training unit for hands-on experience, a control room for the process training unit, state-of-the-art simulation equipment, a 2,215 square foot instrumentation lab, cutaway labs, 5 process technology labs, 4 general classrooms, and 2 corporate training computer classrooms. The Process Technology Associate of Applied Science degree program prepares graduates for entry-level careers as process technicians and operators through the use of state-of-the-art simulation equipment, as well as hands-on applied technology training and general academic coursework. The duties of a process technician vary depending on the industry, with their primary responsibility being the operation and maintenance of specialized equipment to ensure the process of separating, producing, and refining chemical products is running efficiently and safely. Graduates possess the technical skills and knowledge to perform essential processes in petrochemical plants, refineries, power generation facilities, pharmaceutical plants, water treatment facilities, and food and beverage industries. The Instrumentation Technology Associate of Applied Science degree program prepares graduates for entry-level careers in the processing industry. Courses within the program include Instrumentation and Safety, Process Instrumentation, Industrial Automatic Control, Distributed Control and Programmable Logic, Instrument Calibration, Field Bus Process Control Systems, and Instrumentation System Troubleshooting. The duties of an instrumentation technician vary depending upon the industry, with their primary responsibility being the maintenance, calibration, troubleshooting, repair, and replacement of process instruments. Come join us at the Lone Star College Process Technology Center. You can get trained today and hired tomorrow.